Some getting a piece of that $600 million class action settlement in East Palestine may get a break on paying taxes on that money. Senator Sherrod Brown is asking the Treasury Department and the IRS not to tax residents on those payments they receive from Norfolk Southern, saying that money qualifies as a disaster relief payment. So far, there's no word from the Treasury or IRS. And as scientists continue to study if there are possible long-term health effects of the East Palestine train derailment, there's word now that it may take years before we get clear answers. Our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins, explains.
Lori and Wayne O'Connell are convinced Wayne's breast cancer was the result of the toxic soup of chemicals they inhaled after the train derailment.
I don't believe in coincidences. No. I know what happened. You are not going to get a doctor to say it, but we know.
Researchers from several universities started signing up volunteer residents to be evaluated and followed for the next several years. What they can't say right now is if there's a definitive link to health problems.
We still don't fully understand what the overall impact was of this and will be of the train derailment. And so I think that there are things that we don't yet know that make it difficult to quantify the overall impact of the derailment.
The Healthy Futures research study involves the 4-county region around the derailment site, which includes Columbiana and Mahoning counties and 2 in Pennsylvania.
So most of the studies that have been previously done have looked at more acute single exposures to one chemical. Now that you're dealing with a chemical mixture as well as partial and full combustion, you're having a little bit different of an interaction that could be causing some long-term health problems.
Many residents are still complaining of headaches, nosebleeds, and respiratory issues. Researchers are monitoring whether there's a change in DNA mutations and waiting to see what other health issues emerge in years to come. So Case Western Reserve University, Ohio State, Kent State, University of Pittsburgh, the University of California, San Diego, Carnegie Mellon, Texas A&M, all researching some aspect of how the chemical spill is impacting humans and the environment. Now, many have received federal funding for this research, but they're hoping residents who may have been exposed but then moved away from the area still sign up to be evaluated. And I put some info on WKYC.com, Russ.
A lot of studies taking place on this. Monica Robbins here in the studio. Thank you.